we are going to continue talking about the shapes that we see on our faces.
Kindergarten teacher Kathy Anderson adopted the 5 Shapes Many Emotions lesson by having children first look at the shapes on each other's faces.
A lot of round mouths. Good job, you guys. Okay, can you give your face a rub? Thank you, face. Give it a little massage. Set it back to regular. Is this regular? Shake it out.
Next, Miss Anderson showed her kids large versions of the 5 shapes and did the Explore and Describe step of the 5 Shapes Many Emotions lesson. This step usually takes 6 to 8 minutes, but she gave her kindergarten students a full 20 minutes to express their ideas and make connections.
Eye. Oh, the shape of an eye.
Yeah, like is eyeliner right there pointy? Like
Oh, with a little pointy eyeliner.
Yeah.
Interesting. Lucas.
Eyebrow.
An eyebrow. That's the thing that goes on the top, right? Anything else that this could be? Sophie?
A lemon.
A lemon. Ooh, yummy. Make lemonade. Make lemonade.
I like lemon.
Me too. Santiago?
Oh, plant.
A plant. Something that's growing. A part of a plant. Interesting. Victor?
I want a lemon. Leaf.
A leaf. See that? Could be a leaf. Julian?
Seed.
A seed. Remember Jalen had those seeds she brought home the other day was that from an orange, right?
Yeah. Santiago
gave seeds from his orange. Reminds us of a seed. Clara, what does it remind you of?
This looks like a mouth.
Like a mouth. Oh. Like lips.
Like a raindrop.
Oh, drip, 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 drip. A raindrop. Santiago?
Oh, mustache.
Or a mustache. Isabella?
It looks like a nose.
Could be a nose. Could be. Sebastian, what does it remind you of?
Reminds me of a head.
Of a head, okay, which I think you said face, right? Kind of the same. Amelia?
It looks like a nose.
It looks like an O, the letter O. O, octopus.
Because it needs a cut.
But Elena, raise your hand. What would it need?
A cut in the inside so it can be like a O. So O is like this, but it doesn't have nothing inside.
Oh, so an O is like this, but it doesn't have anything inside. So if we cut the middle out, it could be an O. Ha-ha. So Amelia and Elena decided how to turn this into an O if we wanted to, right? Working together on that one. Sierra?
It looks like a round eye.
A round eye. Everybody just take a quick glance at your friend's face again. Look at inside the eye part that opens and closes. There's a little round part in there. Kevin, can you let Amelia see your eyes? See the little round parts in there? There's a round part.
Your head is round. Look at my eye.
It is. It's round, right?
I see black in my eye. I see my black.
You saw yourself? You saw yourself in his eye. You notice something cool up here, guys. I don't mean to interrupt you. Emmanuel, can you tell the class what you saw in Sebastian's eye?
I can see myself.
He saw himself in there. And then,
Because my eye's like a mirror.
so can you tell us more about how your eye is like a mirror? Hold on, guys. Wait, sweeties. You can see yourself in a second. All right. Everybody, look at each other in each other's eyeballs. See if you can see yourself in there. Hello, self. I see you in my friend's eyeball.
I can see you. Let me see. I can see you.
Sebastian, can you tell the kids what you were why you think he can see you in your eye? Yeah. Can you want to stand up so they could hear
It's
you?
like a mirror. So that's how you see stuff.
So Sebastian says, well, his eye is like a mirror because you can see stuff. So that's why Emmanuel could see himself in there. And maybe you saw yourself in your friend's eye. And
I saw him again in my eye.
you saw him again. Also, Kevin told me he thought that this reminded him of this thing. What are those things on your nose? Nostrils, right? You have 2 of them, and they're kind of round. And you breathe with them, right? Everybody breathe for a second. The air goes in those little holes there. But this would have to be a very big nose, wouldn't it? There are two nostrils like this. Wow, that's a big nose. Okay. Moon. That seems like the first thing a lot of people thought of. This shape of a moon. Have you ever seen this kind of a moon in the sky? You probably have. That's why you said it. What does it make you think of, Santiago? What are you connecting that to? Go ahead.
Like, hey, diddle, diddle, the cat in a fiddle.
What comes next?
The cat jumped over the moon. The little Douglas to see such sport, and the dish went away with a spoon.
All right, we got a quick poem in there. Very good. Nice job. So yeah, maybe a moon. Maybe a moon. What else? Anything else?
A smile.
No, raising our hand. Yelling out is not helpful. On our bottom, Diana.
A smile and a sad face.
Oh, a smile face. So how do I make it into a sad face?
I turn it around.
Like that?
No. More. No. No, it's a sad face.
Oh.
A banana. You can't do it. A banana.
Sebastian raised his hand.
Banana.
A banana.
Banana. Banana. Minions like to eat.
Minions do love their bananas. It's okay, guys. You're
Banana.
working together. Jalen, what do you think? What does it remind you of?
A mustache.
Sebastian, one sec, because I can't hear Jalen.
A mustache.
A mustache. Sierra?
Mustache. That's wax?
A boat. We made a boat to sail away. Noah?
It looks like a beard.
A beard. Oh, so if we put it down there, now I've got a beard. Now I really need to shave.
No,
Right? Isabella? Go ahead, Sierra.
It looks like how you put like in the beard, you wiped it, and how you wiped it, no beard.
No beard? When did you see that happen? Have you seen that happen?
Yeah.
Well, who does that? That has no
My
beard?
dad.
Oh, so he puts it on,
Yeah.
and then what does he do? He wipes it?
Yeah.
And then no beard.
No beard.
Poof. Yeah, that's a shave, right?
And that's magic.
And what do we think? What do we think? Sitting on our bottom. A lot of us seem to think of a raindrop at the same time. What more can this be? What more can you think of when you see this shape? Serenity?
Should be Starbucks.
Say that again. A tear. If someone cries a tear. Elroy?
A tree.
A tree. Which way would it be a tree, do you think?
This way.
It would be something like growing like a tree. Thank you, Elroy. Julian?
Like the thing, the frosting squirters that you put on cakes.
Oh, the frosting squirter like this, right? And you squeeze it and the frosting comes out. A frosting squirter. Yummy. Lucas?
A ghost.
A ghost? Interesting. Which shape would be a ghost? This way or this way?
Both sides.
Both ways. This is ghost. Reminds you of a ghost. It's ghost-like. Noah?
Looks like a big giant raindrop just fell from the sky and it goes down and make a big rain puddle, then it comes back to the sky.
Goes down from the sky, makes a big rain puddle, and goes back into the sky.
That's big. I was thinking about that.
You were thinking about that for a while, I could tell. Kevin?
It looks like a mouse in computers. Why we do like
Oh,
this?
a mouse in computers, like when you go like this. Like, would I hold it this way or this way?
This way. It's this.
That way. Oh, and so you would move it around like this? Like when you sit on the computer, you use a mouse. Huh, a mouse. Santiago?
A raindrop like Jack and Jill.
Oh, look, Jack and Jill, there's little tiny shapes. You don't have to move. I'm going to show you. You're on your bottom, Elroy. Look at that. Santiago said that noticed little tiny shapes. So this is what we thought of right away, that it reminded us of a water drop, right?